Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Talkit. And today we're going to be talking about something that is very important, and a lot of businesses are finding it really hard to serve their customers in terms of like connecting with the audience, the right pricing, and whether they should like advertise their products, what kind of communication they should do. So today Manisha from Fireword Institute of Research and Management is going to talk about how businesses are going to be post this Corona and the COVID-19 situation that we have been dawned upon. So Manisha, I'll give you the floor. You can turn on your video and you can start presenting, and I'll give the floor to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, good evening, everyone. Hope you are safe. So, I am here to talk about a topic about how will be the business environment after COVID-19. So, we didn't know what about the future. We can assume or predict what going to happen, but we can't say that it is going exactly going to happen like this. The economic impact of 2020 coronavirus pandemic has been largely disruptive. Due to COVID-19, we can see impact in business industries. Here they are. We can see that different industry in business which is impacted: agriculture industry, transport industry, construction industry, education industry, pharmaceutical, and so on. Now let's see, we can see a pictorial representation of different sectors which is affected by the COVID-19. We can see that airlines and hotel, auto and advanced industry, construction and real estate have highly bad impacted during this COVID-19. And also we can see that agriculture industry, IT services and pharmaceuticals industry, telecommunication industry have least bad impacted in COVID-19. So I will come to this later. So we can go to this agriculture industry. What happened what are the impacts in agriculture industry? In agriculture industry, we know that the most suffering section is agriculture industry when comparing to the other sections, because it is the poorest section of the society. The most problem of the agriculture industry is that low availability of labors and inability to access the market due to the labor, due to the production, due to the issues of transportation and other operation in the market. We can see in this picture that agriculture industry is leastly affected because in lockdown time, government announced in lockdown time, the Indian finance minister announced 1.7 trillion package to the to protect the vulnerable section, including farmers. So the government also declared high wage rate to the employees under the National Rural Guarantee Scheme. And also the RBI announced a burden of and RBI also announced the rural debt servicing due to COVID-19. So there are so many helping hands by the government to this agriculture industry. So we can see there is in future we can't see a more impact, a big impact, bad impact in this agriculture industry. That's why it is in least impacted, bad impacted in this picture. Then next we can go to the transport industry. While talking about the transport or logistic industry, it is a primary victim of a COVID-19. We can see in this picture that airlines and hotels are muchly affected, badly affected in this during the COVID-19. Because the loss of demand of passengers, affected this. That means from the rickshaw puller to the airlines are affected in this industry. Sorry.
Shona, can you just mute the
Hello. Okay, from rickshaw puller to the airlines may also affected in this industry. So while talking about this, because of the social distancing, the demand of the passengers is getting fall. So that when we talk about the future, there will be a chance of decrease in the transport industry, because some individuals may use their own vehicles or buy their own vehicles due to the fear of COVID-19, or they will maximum avoid the situation to traveling in public transport. So one of the most badly affected industries, transport industry. We can say that future there will be a low demand in the transport industry due to this COVID-19. Then next one is construction industry. In the construction industry, it is majorly badly affected because many projects have been cancelled, stopped with the intention to continue it later. The main problem of the construction industry is concerned about the labor safety. It is the duty of the contractor to protect the laborers, but when we talk about the future, there is a bad impact. We can see in this in this picture that airlines and auto industry, then third one is construction and real estate is badly affected in this COVID-19. So in future we can say there will be a badly affecting in this industry due to this low availability of labors. Then next industry is education industry. While talking about education industry, many education institutions such as schools, colleges, and tuition centers, etc., are closed, and also exams have been postponed because of this due to the COVID-19. But there are so many measures taken that they turned into a digital platform. The education industry turned to a digital platforms. They are using video conferencing apps like Google Meet, Zooms, etc. The government also helping the education industries by giving free record for the free recording system for the Google Meet, which is a premium account app given to the all education institutions. So there is there is a bad impact also in the education industry. So we can expect that education industry is also badly affected in later in future. Then next industry is drugs and pharmaceutical. So while we're talking about drugs and pharmaceutical, we know that nowadays the market demands more medicines and more pharmaceutical items. So the society demand is going high. We can see here in this picture that it is least affected. Pharmaceutical is leastly bad impacted area in bad impacted sector in during COVID-19. Why it is because of high demand in the market. Even after even after COVID ends, the demand for this pharmaceutical and drugs will be high. Because of that, the cost of the paracetamols is going up to 400 to 450 per kilogram, and the price of vitamins and penicillin have increased 40 to 50% in India. So so in this sector, the market demand is going high, but in future it is also in future also there will be hike in this sector compared to other section because of the market demand, but it is leastly bad, but the least bad impacts affected is in this industry. Then next one is healthcare industry. So the private sectors industries are offering help to the government for giving test for giving test to the checking and also arranging isolation beds, etc. And health workers also giving tremendous work for the public. Even nurses and doctors that due to the COVID-19 has been reported in several countries. The WHO reported that 1/10 in the health 1/10 health workers is infected in with coronavirus in some countries. So when we talk about the future about the healthcare industry, it is going high, but we can't predict what happens in future. It's all depends upon the corona cases. Then next industry is telecommunication industry. So when we go back to the picture, telecommunication industry, one of the industry which is badly affected is least badly affected is telecommunication industry. Why it is? Because that during this lockdown time we want to touch with people, so only thing that is available is telecommunication services. So by using this we can touch with the business families, business friends, etc. So the government also giving importance to this telecommunications services, that in lockdown they want to work in effective ways. It is announced in March 24, 2020, issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Then next industry is IT industry. While looking up to IT industry, we can see the IT industry is also least badly affected industry, but its growth clocking is down 3 to 5%, but compared to other sectors, it is leastly affected during the COVID-19. We can see that in IT industry, because they are providing the chances for work from home. Then so in future there will be no much badly impacted in IT industry. Then next one is media and entertainment industry. Media, while talking about media and entertainment industry, best example is theater. Nowadays theater have closed, and also water, theme park, children park, malls, etc. are closed because of this COVID-19. Even the film project shoots have postponed. Film awards, sports events like IPLs, etc. are postponed. Even after this lockdown ends, there will be no much chance to suddenly opening the theater, because even if it is open, there will be a safety measures that one seat occupied after 2 seats. So there will so the media and the entertainment industry is also badly affected due to this COVID-19, and in future also there is a time to recover in this period. The next one is manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry, while coming to manufacturing industry also very badly affected due to COVID-19. There is a low production in this industry because low consumption. The consumers do not demand more because of this COVID-19. They are not consuming more in the in this COVID-19. We can take the auto industry an example, that its sales down by more than 10% because because of this production cut into 5 to 10% more. So when we talk about manufacturing industry also, it is also badly affected in future, that there will be a challenge that low availability of workers, etc. So manufacturing industry is also badly affected in this corona period. Then next one is last one is mining industry. Mining industry, while mining industry is the also affected in this during the COVID-19 due to the law and order of the governments. Many mining industry have been shut down, and the transportation is very transportation is not there, so the consumption of oils and petrol etc are not there. So there are so many losses in these industries. Mining, even in this time, they can. This is a very good time to they can collaborate or join venture to reduce the project risk. In this, by doing like this, they can be recover in the future also. So let me conclude that by doing during this COVID-19, there are high and low impacts. There are high and low impacts in the different industries. Let hope for the best, that bad times will end, by saying a famous quote, Loga Samasta Sugino Bhavantu. May happiness be into the world. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for listening patiently.
Guhan, you're on mute.
I'm sorry. I have a power problem. Okay. Am I visible now?
Yes, Guhan, you are.
Yeah, one sec. Manisha, can you turn off your screen sharing?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. So thank you for the wonderful presentation, Manisha. I think you gave a really consolidated efforts on how different industries are being affected and how this situation is going to be after this coronavirus. So we'll open the floor for questions. So if anybody has any questions, they can shoot it out, and Manisha will be glad to answer.
So, hi Manisha, this is Ram.
Hi.
So Manisha, basically, like what from your presentation, what I've understood is you're forecasting a total economic breakdown in India after this COVID pandemic.
Yes, sir.
The way how I am looking at it is because currently the world is against China products from China, not just India. I think all over the world people do not want to buy Chinese products. So it is going to become a huge opportunity for Indians, especially Indian manufacturers, to use this vacuum. This problem is their biggest opportunity. It will become a big, I think, a rise in the Indian economic sector. And the other things that you said, for example, the entertainment industry and all. I think the entertainment industry everywhere, I don't think it is all declining. It is all in the phase of change. There is not. This is not a decline. I believe this is. I think we're all changing. Like how Reach Skyline says, embrace digital. I think everything global is becoming very digital. I think from manufacturing to mining or agriculture, entertainment industry, everything is just taking a shift. And the consumers, once they are into this practice, I think we will be again hitting the top. And this pandemic has actually accelerated this consumer behavior change. Because I remember back in 2018-19, when Ola, Uber, Swiggy, all these companies had to do a lot of advertisement, lot of promotions, just to bring in consumers to use the, get into the digital consumer behavior. But Corona just made it happen like this. Like, we are all home, we are not able to do anything. And the only way how we are able to communicate or do things is through digital. So this Corona pandemic is one shift towards digital consumer behavior. So industries that are going to transform themselves digitally will make a huge benefit out of this pandemic change, I think. And especially for manufacturing industries, as the world is against China, it is a huge opportunity for Indian manufacturers and Indian agriculturalists. Also, it's going to be a huge opportunity. And I think this decline, what we are saying, is going to be a very short decline. I think once this, we have a vaccine or everything is good, we have herd immunity. Once that happens, we will be back on track, and we will not even be part of this dip. I think we will see the fastest GDP rise in this country ever.
Yeah, I second you, Ram. So when you talked about the agriculture, that the agriculturists are going to be benefited from this, I think agriculture, since my childhood, I've been learning that agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy, but none of the youngsters were ready to do agriculture. But right now, with the decline in the IT companies and the layoffs that have been happening in bigger MNCs, I think a lot of youngsters will be retaining to agriculture, and people will start focusing more. As Manisha rightly said, like the agriculture industry is the least hit across India or any other country for that matter in terms of the industrial monetization effect. And also Indian manufacturers, as you also said, like with the ties with USA and the ties with China, and right now industries will start booming in terms of Indian manufacturing being more supportive of the side of the country. When we talk about the entertainment industry as like a movie or a theater will be seeing a decline. PVR and Inox have been already, even before the Corona, have been fighting with Jio, where Jio wanted to launch a thing called Jio First, where it's going to launch any movie first day, first show on its platform. So Inox and PVR actually sued Jio on Supreme Court, saying that it will entirely disrupt their business revenue model. But it was eventually going to happen, and this as a platform will thrive more towards content creators and individual and independent content creators to generate new platforms to stream content in. And I think it is for the good of the economy, and it is a drastic change where we have to sacrifice a lot of lives to do this. But unfortunately, this has to happen, and this is happening as we speak.
Fortunate, unfortunate.
Exactly. Manisha, do you want to add anything to this?
No, sir. What exactly sir said is right, sir. I said about the impacts that during in the COVID-19. Then I just assumption that what will happen tomorrow according to this situation. As usually Ram sir said that the manufacturing industry will hype because there is no any Chinese products will come. It will be abandoned in the Indian industry. It's all correct, sir. I just add that there will be in manufacturing industry, there will be a low availability of laborers, workers because of these safety safety issues, sir. That's all, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Manisha. We are open for one or two questions. So if anybody has any questions in terms of business after coronavirus, they can shoot it out and we'll be happy to answer. Okay, I think we can conclude this episode. Thank you for each and one of you for attending this week's Talk It Show. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in another episode. Until then, this is Manisha and Team Reach Skyline signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.